Now production of the copies minus closing stock equals to sale. So after recovering the short working, remaining amount should be payable to the author or the lessor. So this is how journal entry goes in case of minimum rent is more. Only you have to prepare in which year you are having the minimum rent. For that year you have to prepare the minimum rent account, not for all 5 years. Hello my dear students, I am your Ajay sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyaashram First Grade College, Mysuru, a temple of excellence. My dear students, in today's session, I am going to handle the subject Financial Accounting 2 for 2nd Sem BCom. The topic is Accounting for Royalty. Now let's go to the first slide. This is the first problem. In the previous session also, we were discussing about the problem regarding the ledger entries in the books of lessee, and today's session also we are going to discuss on the ledger entries in the books of lessee if they given the publisher or the author. So here author is the lessor and the publisher is the lessee. So in case the publisher comes to author as for publication of books, so here author is the lessor and the publisher is the lessee, and the publisher has to pay the royalty to the author. So in this case, how to prepare the ledger entries in the books of lessee? Let's see. Mr. Krishna wrote a book on advanced accountancy and got it published with Nandini Publisher on the terms that royalty will be rupees 60 per copy. See here, Mr. Krishna is the author or lessor. Here, Krishna. Next one, Nandini Publisher is the lessee and the royalty is 60 rupees. And the subject to minimum rent of rupees 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is the minimum rent. This is the fixed amount where the lessee has to pay to the lessor. Will be right to recoup the short working over a period of 2 years. What do you mean by that? See, he is giving 2 years time. So after occurring of short working, he is giving 2 years time to recover the short working. In case of any shortage of work or short working, or the lessee could not recover the or could not produce enough to recover the minimum rent, then the lessor is giving 2 years time. That means after 2 years means leaving the first year, we should take second year and third year. Okay. After 2 years in which the short working arises. So if short working arises, he will be having 2 years. The after 2 years or next 2 years means first 3 years, next 2 years both are same. See, in this problem, he has given the output, that means total book or published, total books published, and also he has given the unsold copy, but he has not given the sales. See, in the problem he has asked 60 per copy sold he has given, but here in the table he has not given the information regarding the sales. So in case if they did not give the information regarding the sale, so how to calculate the sale, how to get the sales value? So for that we have a formula. What is the formula? See here, opening stock plus output or copies printed minus closing stock. Closing stock equals to sales. See, what do you mean by sales? So opening stock. So for first year there is no opening stock. So for the second year we will be having opening stock, because closing stock of the previous year is the opening stock of current year. So opening stock plus copies produced or production of the copies minus closing stock equals to sale. So let's do the chart to prepare the or to calculate the sales. This is opening stock plus copies printed minus closing stock equals to sales, and this is year. So this is year. So year, so which year? 2001. In 2001, so for the first year we don't have opening stock is nil, plus copies printed is 1300 copies minus closing stock. So what is the closing stock for the first year? 100 rupees. So sales equals to, let's calculate the sales, 1300 minus 100, that means 1200. Coming to the next year. So next year production or next year output is 1800, but look at the closing stock. So previous year closing stock is the current year opening stock. Current year closing stock is the next year opening stock. See, bear in your mind, previous year closing stock is the current year opening stock. See, for 2002, so what is the opening stock? Previous year, last year closing stock is the current year opening stock. So what is the last year closing stock? 100 rupees. So let's put 100 rupees here. 100 rupees is the opening stock, plus output is 1800 units. 1000. So it is 1800 units. So here 1800 units I am writing, minus closing stock. So what is the closing stock? 200 is the closing stock. Now 100 plus 1800 minus 200. So equals to 1700 is the sales. 1700 units is the sales. Again coming to the next year 2003. So what is the closing stock? So previous year closing stock is the current year opening stock. So 200 plus. Now what is the production? 3000 minus closing stock 500. So our sale is, so 200 plus 3000 minus 500. Our sale is 2700. Again coming to the 2004. So last year closing stock is the current year opening stock. So it is 500 plus production 4500 minus closing stock 200. Again let's calculate. 500 plus 4500 minus 200. So we'll get 4800. Again coming to the next year 2005. Closing stock is the opening stock here 200 plus our production 1600 units minus closing stock 150 equals to sales is 200 plus 1600 minus 150. So we'll get 1650. 1650 is the sales. Let's go to solve the problem. So this is the analysis table we are having. So what is the rate per unit or rate per sale, per unit of sale or per book of sale is 60 rupees. If one book is sold, the royalty is 60 rupees. If one book is sold, the royalty is 60 rupees. Let's go to the problem here. So what is the minimum rent? Minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. Now coming to the first year 2001. What is the output? The 2001 output is, what is the sales? We should take these items as the sales, not the copies printed. So it is output is, or the actual sale is 1200. So on the sales we have to calculate the royalty. So royalty has given the royalty 60 rupees per copy sold. Now sales 1200 is the output. What is the rate per ton or rate per book sold? It is books sold. Rate per book sold. Sold is 60 rupees. So now let's calculate 1200 into 60. It is 1200 into 60. So we'll get 72,000 is the royalty. 72,000 is the royalty. Again, minimum rent is fixed for 1 lakh rupees. Now minimum rent is fixed for 1 lakh rupees. Every year the lessee has to pay 1 lakh rupees to the lessor as minimum rent. 1 lakh rupees. Again, short working. What is the short working? Short working means any difference between the minimum rent and royalty. So if the royalty is lesser than the minimum rent, the difference is called as short working. Now if you deduct this 72,000 rupees from 1 lakh rupees, what is the short working we are having? 1 lakh minus 72,000. Our short working is 28,000. For the first year, we could not recover the short working, so it is nil. Again, we could not transfer any amount to the profit and loss account. So only after, if we could not recover the short working after 2 years, then this short working amount can be go to the profit and loss account. Let's write 1 lakh rupees is the amount payable to the landlord or the author. So we can write this as a paid to author. So paid to author is 1 lakh rupees. Now coming to the next year, 2002. Now what is the sales for 2002? So is the 2002 sales is 1,700. So it is 1,700 into. So what is the rate per copy? It is 60 rupees per copy. So let's calculate 60 into 1,700. So it is 1,02,000. 1,02,000. Again, our minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. Every year it is fixed. So coming to the short working. Here what is the excess production apart from the minimum rent? Our royalty is 2,000 rupees excess is there compared to minimum rent. So out of 2,000 we can recover the short working to the extent of 2,000, not more than that. Okay, because minimum rent we have to pay minimum rent 1 lakh rupees. So apart from minimum rent, our royalty is 1,02,000 rupees. So if you compare minimum rent or if you deduct the amount from the minimum rent, so excess royalty is 2,000 rupees. So whatever the excess royalty we can get, so out of excess royalty we can recover the short working. After recovering the short working, we can transfer that amount to the landlord or paid to landlord or paid to author or paid to author. So let's short working for this year, there is no short working, and short working recovered out of 28,000. So out of 28,000, so whatever the amount or what actual amount we can recover, because excess royalty is only 2,000 rupees. So we can recover only 2,000 rupees, not more than 2,000, because our actual production itself is 1,02,000 rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is minimum rent is fixed. So we have to pay to landlord or the author. So more than that, whatever the production is there apart from the minimum rent, that no royalty can be utilized for the recovery of the short working. Now 2,000 means, so it is 26,000 still not yet recovered. So the minimum rate not yet recovered is 26,000. So how much we can recover? So we can recover 2,000. Remaining 26,000, still we are having time for one more year, because it is 2 years after now short working occurs. So it is next 2 years he has given the time for. Next 2 years means after occurring short working, first year and second year. Even after 2 years, if we could not recover the short working, that amount will be transferred to profit and loss account. Till then we are having 2 years. So this is the first year. In first year we can recover only 2,000. Remaining 26,000 balance will be there only. So in the next year, let's see if we could recover or not. So this is transfer to profit and loss account nil. How much we have to pay to the landlord? We have to pay to the landlord is 1 lakh rupees. See, out of 1,02,000 we can recover 2,000. Remaining royalty will be payable to landlord or the author. Next one, 2003. So our sales is 2,700. 2,700 into 60 rupees. So let's calculate the royalty. 2,700 into 60 rupees. So it is 1,62,000. 1,62,000. What is our minimum rent? Minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. Now, whatever the excess royalty has come, what is the excess royalty compared to minimum rent? So it is the minimum rent is 1 lakh. Royalty or actual production is 1,62,000. So we have 62,000. To the extent of 62,000, we have excess royalty. So out of 62,000, we can recover the short working. We can recover the short working. See, already in 28,000, we have recovered 2,000. Still 26,000 short working is balance. Okay. If we could not recover this year also, it would have been gone to profit and loss account. But fortunately, we are having the royalty or the excess royalty to the extent of 62,000. So out of 62,000, we can recover 26,000 short working. So short working recovered 26,000. So after recovering the short working, remaining amount should be payable to the author or the lessor. 1,62,000 minus 26,000. Remaining amount should be payable to the landlord or the author. So here, what is the total royalty? 1,62,000. So what is the minimum rent? 1 lakh rupees. So whatever the excess royalty will get compared to the minimum rent, or after deducting the minimum rent, whatever the excess royalty will get, out of that excess royalty we can recover the short working. Now we have recovered the short working to the extent of 26,000 out of 62,000. The remaining amount should be transferred to landlord or the payable to landlord. So out of 1,62,000, deduct 26,000, remaining amount payable to the landlord or the author. So 1,62,000 minus 26,000. So it is 1,36,000 payable to the landlord or the author. See, our production is 1,62,000. Out of 1,62,000, minimum rent should be payable 1 lakh rupees. So whatever the excess amount compared to the minimum rent, whatever excess royalty we have, so out of the excess royalty we can recover the short working. So after recovering short working, whatever the amount is there, that should be transferred to landlord or the author. Now coming to the next year, 2004. What is our sales for 2004? Our sale is 4,800. 4,800 into 60 rupees. 4,800 into 60 is 2,88,000. So, but in this year, same minimum rent is 1 lakh. We don't have any short working. Short working recoverable also, there is no amount because already 28,000 is there. In the first year, we have recovered 2,000. Remaining amount we have recovered in the third year. Remaining, there is no short working. So, full amount should be transferred to landlord. Again, I am repeating. See, out of 2,88,000, we could recover the short working to the extent of 1,88,000 because what is our excess production or excess royalty? So, compared to the minimum rent, excess royalty is 1,88,000. But to recover short working, there is no any short working to recover. So, full amount should be transferable to landlord or the author. Now, I am transferring full amount. 2,88,000. So what law says? Either the royalty or the minimum rent higher. Either the royalty or the minimum rent, whichever is more or whichever is higher should be payable to the landlord. So comparing to both the amount, the royalty is more, I am paying royalty to the landlord. So before paying to the landlord, if we have any short working, so we can recover the short working. But since in this year I don't have any short working, so complete amount will be transferable to landlord account or author account. Now going to the last year, 2005. So what is our sales? 1,650. 1,650 into 60 rupees is the royalty. So 1,650 into 60. So it is 99,000. Again, our minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. So what is the short working compared to the royalty or the actual production? The 1,000 rupees is short working. Short working can be recovered after 2 years, but he has given only problem for 5 years. We have to prepare the chart or the analysis table for only 5 years. This 1,000 may recover in the future, but for 5 years we will stop the problem. It is whichever is higher, either the royalty or the minimum rent. So minimum rent is more than the royalty. I am paying minimum rent. This is how we should prepare the analysis table. Let's go to the ledger. Now in the ledger entries in the books of lessee. So who is the lessor? Krishna is the lessor or the author. So he is the author. So who is the author? Krishna is the author or author account or Krishna's account. So what is the journal entry? When you are paying the minimum rent, what is the journal entry? Minimum rent account are to landlord account or author account, being the minimum rent is payable. Next one, royalty account. We have to transfer the minimum rent to royalty and short working account. So journal entry, royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent. So being minimum rent transferred to royalty and short working account. Later we have to pay the amount to the landlords or the author. Journal entry, author account to bank or cash account. Next one, we have to transfer the royalty to profit and loss account. Journal entry, profit and loss account to royalty account. So this is how journal entry goes in case of minimum rent is more. In case of short working, so in case of royalty is more, we can recover the short working. Journal entry, royalty account to author or landlord account to short working account. So being the amount is paid after recovering the short working. Again, we have to pay the amount to landlord. Journal entry, royalty account journal entry, landlord account or author account to bank account, being the landlord or author paid. Next one, we have to transfer the amount to profit and loss account. Journal entry, profit and loss account to royalty account. This is how the entries goes in case of royalty is more. Now, this is the first case. So, in first case, we are paying the minimum rent. So, we have to give the journal entry as minimum rent account to landlord or author account. Now, in the first case, what is journal entry? So, minimum rent account debtor to author account. So, again, the minimum rent or the royalty and short working should be transferable to minimum rent. Journal entry, royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. This is how is the second entry while preparing the or while minimum rent is more. So, coming to the where you can find the author or landlord. So, here minimum rent account to author account. Journal entry by minimum rent account to author account. So, we are preparing the author account. We should write by minimum rent account. So, in the year 2001 by minimum rent account. So, what is the minimum rent we are paying? Here 1 lakh rupees we are paying. So, now the 1 lakh rupees should be transferable to bank accounts, the author's bank account. What is the journal entry? So, landlord or author account debtor to bank account. So, we have to write to bank account 2001 to bank account. What is the amount? 1 lakh rupees. Again, both the sides should get tally. 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees. Here also 1 lakh. Again, coming to the second year. So, what we are paying here? So, here also we are paying the royalty. Second year, we are paying the royalty. What is the journal entry? So, when you paying the royalty, journal entry is royalty account debtor to short working to landlord. So, we have to write by royalty. So, we should write by royalty 2002 by royalty. So, what is the amount? What is the actual amount we are paying? See, while paying the amount, so we should consider only this amount. While paying the landlord or while paying the author, we should consider only this amount, not actual production. See, keep this in mind. We are paying the landlord, we should consider this amount, not the actual production. Now, coming to the royalty. So, we are paying 1 lakh rupees to the landlord. So, how much we are transferring to bank account? Same 1 lakh rupees has to be transferred to the landlord. Now, coming to the 2002 to bank account. Again 1 lakh rupees. So, both sides should get tally. 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Again coming to the third year. Now, in this year, we are paying the royalty here because royalty is more than minimum rent compared to minimum rent. So, here also we are paying the royalty. What is the journal entry? Here royalty account debtor to landlord account. So, by royalty we should write. So, it is 2003 by royalty. Now, what is the royalty we have paid? See, look at the table. So, we should consider this amount 1,36,000. So, we should consider this amount 1,36,000. Let's go to the account. So, we are paying 1,36,000. Again, the same amount should be transferred to landlord's bank account. So, coming to 2003 to bank account 1,36,000. Again, both the sides should get tally. 1,36,000. Here also 1,36,000. Again, coming to the Fourth year, how much we are paying? Here also we are paying the royalty. Journal entry by royalty to landlord. Again here 2004 by royalty account. How much we are paying to the landlord here? 2,88,000 full amount we are paying to the landlord. So 2,88,000. 2,88,000. Again, it should be transferred to landlord's bank account. 2004 to bank account. 2,88,000. Again, we have to tally both the side. 2,88,000. Here also 2,88,000. Coming to the last year 2005. So in this year we are paying the minimum rent. What is the journal entry? Minimum rent account to landlord account. We have to transfer the same amount to the royalties or landlord's bank account. So coming to the next entry 2005 by minimum rent account. So what is the minimum rent we are paying here? So we are paying 1 lakh rupees as minimum rent. So 1 lakh rupees. Again, we have to transfer the same amount to the landlord's or author's bank account. So it is 2005 to bank account. Amount is 1 lakh. Again, both the sides should get tally 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So this is how we have to prepare the landlord account. So how, on the what basis we are preparing the ledger? So on the base of journal only we are preparing the ledger. At least you should know ledger for first year. So every year it will be same. Every year it will be same. When you pay the royalty, by royalty account. When you pay the minimum rent, by minimum rent account. So here the same amount should transfer to the bank, but it is crude method. It is crude method. If you want to learn properly, you have to understand the journal entry only. So how to prepare a journal entry? When minimum rent is more, the minimum rent account are to landlord account. Same entry should transfer to the landlord's bank account. Journal entry, landlord account are to bank account. Like that, you should know the journal entry. If you don't know the journal entry, if you do crude method, so it is not worth for the marks. Okay. Now going to the royalty account. So where you can find the royalty in the journal entry? When you paying the minimum rent, first one minimum rent account are to landlord account. Second one royalty account it are, short working account it are to minimum rent account. By royalty, by short working to minimum rent account. This is how second entry will come. So coming to the first year. So we are paying in the first year we are paying the minimum rent. So when you pay the minimum rent, what is the journal entry? So royalty account debtor, short working account debtor to minimum rent account. To minimum rent account. Again, now come to the first year. Let's write 2001. What is journal entry here? By royalty account, by short working account to minimum rent account. So we should write to minimum rent account. To minimum rent account. So what is the, but even though writing minimum rent, we should show only amount for royalty amount only should be shown, not the full amount, because it is short working is also there. So we should write only, even though we are writing by royalty to minimum rent, we should show the amount belongs to the royalty. What is the actual production? Coming to the first year, what is the actual production here? 72,000 is the actual production. It is 72,000. Later, royalty will be transferred to profit and loss account. What is the last entry in every? It may be royalty is more or minimum rent is more. So the royalty will be transferred to, or actual production will be transferred to profit and loss account. So how to give the journal entry for transferring the profit and loss account? Journal entry is profit and loss account to royalty account, by profit and loss account to royalty account. Journal entry by profit and loss account. 2001 by profit and loss account. So actual production will be transferred to, because royalties and expenses for the lessee. Keep this in mind. Royalties and expenses for the lessee. Now 72,000. Again, both sides should tally 72,000, 72,000. Again, coming to the second year. So what I am paying here, second year Again, I'm paying the royalty. When you're paying the royalty, what is the journal entry where royalty will appear? So royalty account are to short working to landlord. Journal entry by royalty to landlord. So it is by royalty to landlord account 2002 to landlord account. So what is the actual production in the second year? So how much we are paying? It is 1 lakh rupees. But what is the actual royalty? It is 1 lakh 2000. So we should show 1 lakh 2000. So royalty account are to landlord 1 lakh, to short working 2000. See here. See what is our royalty? 1 lakh 2000. But what is the royalty? 1 lakh 2000. But how much we have paid to the landlord? 1 lakh rupees we have paid to the landlord. Again we have recovered the short working of 2000. Again, what is journal entry for when you paying the royalty to the landlord? So it is royalty account are to short working to landlord. Or we can write this one is a author account. So instead of writing landlord, we can write as a author account also we can write author account. So to author account, to short working account, here by profit and loss account 2002 by profit and loss account, it is 1 lakh 2000. 1 lakh 2000. Again coming to the first, we should have to tally this amount, then we can go to the third year 1 lakh 2000. Here also 1 lakh 2000. Again coming to the third year. So here also we are paying the royalty. Journal entry. What is the journal entry for royalty when you pay the royalty? So royalty account are to short working to landlord or author. So we can write to author account. So it is 2003 to author account. In case of mining, it is landlord. In case of publication, it is author. To author account. So what is the amount we are paying to the author? Here, let's check here. See what is the actual amount we are paying to the author. So we are paying 1,36,000 to the author. So write 1,36,000 here. So it is 1,36,000. Again, how much we could recover as a short working? So we could recover short working 26,000. So show the 26,000 as a amount recovered. So to short working 26,000. 26,000 or 24,000. Yes, it is 26,000. Now again we have to show in 2003 by profit and loss account. So what is the profit and loss account? Total amount, full amount we have to show it as a 1,62,000 as a profit and loss account will be transferred to 1,62,000 will be transferred to profit and loss account. Tally both the side 1,62,000. Here also 1,62,000. Again coming to the fourth year. So what is the amount we are paying the fourth year? Again in the fourth year also we are paying the royalty. But we could not recover or we did not recover any short working because there was no any short working in the fourth year. Full amount will be transferable to profit and loss account. For fourth year 2004 to author account. So what is the amount, full amount? 2,88,000. 2,88,000. Again in 2004. Here we could not recover any short working because there was no any short working. Full amount will be transferable to author's account. Again by profit and loss account. So what is the amount? 2,88,000. Again tally both the side 2,88,000. 2,88,000. Again going to the last year. So last year we are paying the minimum rent. What is journal entry? Minimum rent account are to landlord account or author account. So by minimum rent account to author account. Again now journal entry for second journal entry, royalty account are short working account are to minimum rent account. So it is to minimum rent account. 2005 to minimum rent account. So how much we are paying minimum rent in the last year? So we are paying 1 lakh rupees as the minimum rent. So it is 1 lakh. Again 2005 by profit and loss account. It is 1 lakh. So both sides should get tally 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Now this is how we are preparing the royalty account. So on the base of journal only, we are just converting journal to ledger. Now let's prepare the short working account. So how to prepare the short working account? See, when short working arises, so when you paying the minimum rent, short working arises. So it is what is journal entry, royalty account or short working account are two minimum rent account. That means two minimum rent account by short working account. So when you recover the short working because of royalty, we will recover the short working. So when short working arises, two minimum rent account. When short working recovered by royalty account. If you could not recover the short working, then by profit and loss account. And if there is any 1 more year time or 2 years time, then it will be transferred to next year. Now let's write. So in the year short working arises to minimum rent account. So if we could recover the short working by royalty account, if we could not recover the short working by profit and loss account, and if that is transferred to next year or balance carried down. Next one, come to the first year. See, first year we are paying the minimum rent. So short working arises to the extent of 28,000. So it is 28,000. So it is 2 minimum rent, 2001 to minimum rent account. So what is the short working amount? So short working is 28,000. So it is 28,000. Again, we could not recover the short working. It will be transferred to next year. Again 2001 by balance carried down 28,000. Again both sides should get tally 28,000. Here also 28,000. Come to the 2002. See, 2002 we are recovering the short working to the extent of 2,000. When you recover the short working, what is the journal entry? So when you recover the short working, so royalty account are two short working, two landlords. So we should write by royalty, because to the short working, what is the opposite entry? Royalty is the opposite. We should write by royalty account to the extent of 2,000. Again in the year 2002, let's brought down the amount here first. 2002 to balance brought down, it is 28,000. See, out of 28,000 we could recover only 2,000. Remaining 26,000 will be recovered in the next year. So it will be transferred to next year for 26,000. So first we will recover the short working by royalty account. So royalty account 2,000. Remaining balance will be transferred to next year. Again next year we can recover 26,000. So tally both the side first. So it is 28,000. Here also 28,000. What is the difference? 26,000 is the difference that will be transferred to next year. So it is 2002 by balance carried down 26,000. Again for the next year we had to brought down the 26,000, 2003 to balance brought down. So it is 26,000. Again we have recovered this 26,000 in the year of 2003. So how you can recover? Because of royalty, the royalty is excess than the minimum rent. So out of the excess amount we have recovered the royalty. So what is journal entry? Royalty account are to short working account. We should write by royalty account. So here 2003 by royalty account to the extent of 26,000. So both sides will get tally. So both the side 26,000. Here also 26,000. Again coming to the 2004. In 2004 we don't have any short working, but in 2005 we are having short working to the extent of 1,000. Again if the short working arises or occurs, it should be to minimum rent account. If short working recovered, by royalty account. If short working could not recover, by profit and loss account. If short working transferred to next year, by balance carried down. This is how we should prepare the short working account. Let's go to the short working in 2005 to minimum rent account to the extent of 1000. Again, the balance will be carried down to the next year because we have not recovered the short working in the 2005. So by balance carried down 1000. So again, both sides should get tally 1000, 1000. For the next year 2006, it should be brought down and the problem will ends in that. So 2006 to balance. Don't stop here, just balance is carried down. Okay, don't stop to this point, the balance is carried down. So we have to brought down to the next year. Balance brought down, it is 1000. So now problem will this account will ends. Now let's go to the minimum rent account. So how to prepare minimum rent account? So minimum rent account, while preparing minimum rent account, only you have to prepare in which year you are having the minimum rent. For that year you have to prepare the minimum rent account, not for all 5 years. So in which year we are paying the minimum rent, we have to prepare the minimum rent account. If you are not paying the minimum rent, for that year you should not prepare the minimum rent account. See, in the first year we are paying the minimum rent. Again here we are paying the royalty, no minimum rent account. Here also we are paying the royalty, no minimum rent account. Here also we are paying the royalty, no minimum rent account. For the last year we are paying the minimum rent. We have to prepare the minimum rent only for first year and last year, not the years in which year we are paying the royalty. Keep this in mind. Now let's go to the minimum rent account. So in which year? 2001. 2001. So what is the journal entry when you prepare in the minimum rent, or when there is a minimum rent? Journal entry is minimum rent account or to landlord account. It is to landlord account. So it is to landlord account or author account. So here in this case we are writing, or where the landlord or the lessor is the author, we can write or author account. So you can write author account. Author account. So what is the minimum rent we are paying here? So we are paying the minimum rent to the extent of 1 lakh rupees we are paying. In that minimum rent, royalty is also there, short working is also there. So let's write minimum rent 1 lakh rupees. So in this 1 lakh rupees, royalty is also included, short working is also included. That's why we will transfer minimum rent to the royalty and short working. Journal entry royalty account or short working account are to minimum rent account. It is by royalty, by short working to minimum rent on 2001. So it is by royalty account to the extent of 72,000. Again by short working to the extent of 28,000. 72,000, 28,000. So it is royalty 72,000 by short working 28,000. Again both the side should get tally for 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh rupees. Here also 1 lakh. So again in which year we have paid the royalty? In the 2005. See, in 2000, apart from 2001, we have not paid minimum rent. For the 2002, 2003, 2004, we have not paid the minimum rent. Only in 2005 we have paid the minimum rent. Let's go to the 2005. So in 2005, how much we are paying? Royalty 99,000. What is the short working? 1 lakh. How much we are paying to the author? 1 lakh rupees. Short working is 1,000 rupees. Minimum rent is 1 lakh rupees. So it is 2005 to author account 1 lakh. In that 1 lakh, 99,000 rupees is the royalty and 1,000 rupees is the short working. Both royalty and short working was included in the minimum rent. So it is 2005 by royalty account 99,000. Again by short working account it is 1,000. Again both the sides should get tally for 1 lakh and 1 lakh. So this is how we will prepare the ledger entries in the books of lessee. So in the next session again we will solve one more problem in the books of ledger entries in the books of lessee in case of publisher. So till then, thank you so much. Let's meet you in the next session.